for x, the question is x minus 4 root x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we will start our answer by just rearranging the equation. Let's see how we proceed. See, suppose this is your given equation. Given is what? X minus 4 root x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we'll do that x plus 3 is equal to 4 root x. This is how we can proceed further. Taking minus 4 root x on the other side will become 4 root x, and here x plus 3 would be left. Now taking square of both sides, so we'll do square of x plus 3 as well as square of 4 root x. Okay. Now expanding x plus 3 whole square will give us x square plus 6x plus 9, and here 4 square would become 16 and root x square would become x. This whole square you all know, when we have to do a whole square of a bracket with two terms. So square of first term, then this plus sign will come here, then this into this means first term into last term into 2, like this. Suppose a plus b whole square you have to do. What you have to do? You have to do the square of first term, this plus sign, 2 times first term into second term plus always and last term square. So here a b b. Your first term will come in these two brackets and second term will come in these two brackets. So ultimately it would become a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same way, x plus 3 whole square, x square, x into 3 into 2, that is 6x plus 3 square would become 9 equals to 16x. Now taking 16x on this side, the other side would be 0. Now x, rearranging the equation, 6x minus 16x plus 9 equals to 0. Now x square plus 6x minus 16x, it would be minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Now this is your simplest form of a quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation simplest form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the simplest form of any quadratic equation. Now we have brought this equation of ours, which is given in question itself, into the very simple form of a quadratic equation of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now taking the sum further, we have been given that what? X square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Now this middle term needs to be bifurcated so that we get, upon doing subtraction, we get 9 in our answer. So we all know that 10 can be factored into 10 into 1. Now we need what? We need what? We means ultimately what you have to do? You have to take this a into c, that is 9. Actually, let us do this way. Cancel this. You have to take this a and c. Here a is nothing means 1. 1 into 9. This 9 needs to be bifurcated into two terms so that we get minus 10 as our answer. So 9 into 1 is your factors. Now you need minus 10. So you will have to do minus 9 and minus 1. So x square, first term as it is, this minus 10x would be bifurcated into minus 9x minus 1x plus 9 equals to 0. Now taking first and second term together and third and fourth term together. From the first and second term we get x as common. So it would become x minus 9 inside the bracket. Here nothing is common, so we'll take minus 1 as common. Inside bracket it would become minus 9. See that what is your uh, next step? See, now you have x into x minus 9 minus 1 into x minus 9. These two terms have x minus 9 as common, so we'll take x minus 9 as common term. So inside x would be left and minus 1 would be left. Now let's take this further. Let me rewrite this step further here. See what is the step of x minus 9 x minus 1 is equal to 0. I have taken this step here to proceed with the sum further. Now you have two numbers or two terms. There is multiplication between them and the answer is 0. So when the product of two numbers is 0, so we can say either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. So x minus 9 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. If x minus 9 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0, so x is equal to 9, because taking minus 9 on the other side would become plus 9, or x equals to 1. Now these are two our answers, x either 9 or x equals to 1. So value of x can be 9 or a value of x can be 1. You may cross check what is our original equation, x minus 4 into root x plus 3 equals to 0. Let's do cross check. First we will do x for 9. For x is equal to 9. See, we will put wherever x minus 4 root x plus 3 equals to 0. Now putting x is equal to 9, we will get 9 minus 4 into root 9 plus 3 equals to 0, or this we need to cross verify. So 9 minus 4 9 minus 4 root 9 equals 3 plus 3. So 9 minus 12 plus 3, is it 0? If yes, then x is equal to 9 is our correct answer. Now let's cross verify for x is equal to 1 also. The original equation is x minus 4 root x plus 3. So putting x is equal to 1, we will get 1 minus 4 root 1 plus 3. So 1 minus 4 root 1 is equal to 1 plus 3. So 1 minus 4 ones are 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 is also correct. So the answer to this question, what was the question original? X minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is either 9 or x is equal to 1. This is your answer for this solution for x, for equation x minus 4 root x plus 3 is equal to 0. Thank you friends. I hope you understood the sum very well. I hope you liked the explanation. Also, I would expect you to share this video with all your friends and colleagues and all your classmates so that they also get this sum very clearly understood. Also, if you have any other sum which you want us to solve for you, please write in the comment section. We will try our best to get back to you with the solution of your problems. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep commenting. Thank you very much. All the best.